Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel. And today I will be teaching you how to change your age on Discord on PC and laptop. So let's begin right away. Since we're gonna use the Discord app, what we're going to do is to open our web browser, such as the Chrome web browser. And then right here, what you're going to do is to simply search for Discord support. So search for Discord support and click on the very first link right here. So click on it and then click on submit a request found on the upper right, which is this one. And then wait for it to load. And once it is done loading, you may see the option which is what can we help you with. So click on what can we help you with and click on trust and safety. And then once you're here, what you're going to do is to type in your email address. So make sure that your email address is working since Discord will be sending you an email afterwards. So type in your email address right here and under how can we help, simply click on the options and click on the very last option, which is appeals, age update, and other questions. So click on it and then under the appeals, age update, or other questions, click on the options once again and click on update my age information. So click on it. And then right here, you may type in your phone number, which is optional. So once you have typed in your phone number, you may type in your date of birth. So make sure to follow this format, which is the MM/DD and YYYY, which is the month. So type in 2 digits of the month. So for example, this May, for example, the day May, you may see 05, and then for the date, you may type in 03, which is May 3, and then the year, which is the 4 digit, which is 2022, or whichever or whatever your birthday is. So then, what you're going next is to um, click on the checkbox right here. So make sure to confirm that you have attached the required materials, and then the subject, just type in change age, or you may also um, type in update age or whichever you want. And then description, type in the description that you want. You may also add attachments if you want to, such as your birth certificate or your ID. Once you are done, simply click on submit and then simply wait for Discord to reach your email or your provided phone number for at least 24 to 48 hours. Once Discord sends you an email, simply follow the steps needed, and then that's it. That's how you can change your age on Discord using your PC or laptop. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.